It's 25 minutes after 10 o'clock. Welcome to Ask a Man, the Naked DJ. Somizi, they are here. We've also got Anonymous on the line. Good morning, Anonymous.
Morning, how are you?
Good, thanks, and yourself?
I'm fine.
So refreshing having a lady this morning. I'm going to read you the house rules. Respect is the foundation of our conversation. Maintain respectful language. Refrain from any swearing or use of profanities. Our responsibility is to protect your identity, and your responsibility, Anonymous, is to extend the same courtesy to protect the identity of the people or the person you'll be speaking about. Anonymous, my queen, do you agree?
Okay, thank you for this opportunity.
Thank you. Oh.
I want the advice. I was dating this guy, and then we have 2 years of relationship. And so this guy, he was a married man, and then I was staying with my child. I'm renting, and so he was providing as a man. Then he's always with his wife. He stays with the wife and the kids. I was that woman who understanding. I was respecting him, respecting the wife, and everything. Then so now, this year, in December, I meet this guy. This guy, he's senior. And then me, I'm with only the married man. Then so I told the married man that I got someone now. And this person is senior. He looks like he's serious. Then so married man doesn't understand. Married man now is over 318. Married man now is demanding every each cent that he was spending on me. Then so I got a letter from the small court.
Small claims court, you mean? Correct. Okay, carry on, my love.
Oh, some.
Yeah. Plant what you sow.
100%. 100%.
Carry on, my love. Carry on. Sorry.
Okay, then so I can't pay him. I don't owe him. Then so now I'm stressed because I must go to court. Because on the letter they say I must be there within 14 days. I must pay this money within 14 days. So my opinion is to go to court. But I'm so nervous.
Wait. Anonymous, what did this letter from the small claims court say? Just summarize it.
Okay, you want every cent that he has spent on me.
Oh.
This is what the letter says?
Yes.
Was it written by hand or by type?
It's original.
Original?
Yes.
With a letterhead? He
did fill that page.
And there was a stamp?
Huh?
There was a stamp.
Certified. Was it certified?
A stamp from the court.
Satisfied.
Yes.
All right. So were you satisfied with the certified stamp?
No, it's just I didn't check it properly, but there is stamp there on top.
Okay.
And how much is he demanding from you?
He wants 20,000.
Now we got the cheap so.
So easy.
How long have you been together? Let me calculate.
2 years.
Wait, hold on. You've been together for 2
years.
2
full
right?
years.
365. Hold on. 365 times 2 divide by 20,000 rand. Anonymous. Do you want to know how much this guy has been giving you
per day?
Per day. When times 2 divide by 20,000 rand. Anonymous. He was giving
Wait for it. Let's get the response of the news headline.
Yo!
Hey, Kutso, Mara. Hi, Mara Kutso.
It's 31 minutes after 10 o'clock. Thank you, Khopedi. Anonymous has been dating a married man for about 2 years and says their side relationship was great. The man was also looking and taking care of her and her child financially. Late last year, She made a single man. Hey, man, they hit it off, started dating. She broke up with the married man. He got upset at her, and now wants her to pay him back all the money he spent on her. We are on the same page, right, Anonymous?
Yes.
All right. Anonymous, when I look at my calculations here, this guy has been spending 27 rand and 39 cent on you per day. 27. It doesn't even buy a quarter.
Well, it did.
I no, Nick.
No, he wasn't even the cash that he was spending on me and the money for petrol
Yes.
to take me wherever I want to go.
That's what I'm saying. Which Anonymous, that 20,000 rands is 27 rands 39 cents.
Oh.
Oh, so, Mina, I want us to go straight to the advice because I can be a lawyer here.
No, but so means
What?
I want to know something.
Please.
What is the cost of your kunantra per day, Anonymous?
27 rand.
Yes.
But then, how?
27 rand, not even 30. 27 rand.
39 cents.
Bomu pangish.
39.
If it can move,
No mufa.
How many times a day?
Hi, batla how?
like it will depend because like he was there, but and then this one that
How many times a day, Anonymous?
not every day because he's a married man.
Okay.
Okay.
So in 2 years, how many
then-
times do you think you've done it?
And maybe if we have, like if we meet today,
Yeah.
until we get certified,
What's that? What's how many rounds is that then?
maybe 2, 3 rounds.
3.
Okay.
Wow, you guys.
Okay.
Wow.
3 rounds.
Speak, lawyer.
Yeah.
Arut.
Yes. 3 rounds.
Are you Anonymous's lawyer or her
I'm
husband's
Anonymous's
lawyer?
lawyer.
Oh, you're okay.
Anonymous's lawyer. I'm
Alright.
going to win this case, Anonymous.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
Are you happy,
Please
Anonymous?
amazing.
I'm going
Okay,
to
yeah.
win. How much do you think you are worth when as a human being? You actually put
Listen, is it too much? 2,000.
2,000.
Per
All
day.
right. 2,000. I see. 2,000 times. Let's half it. Guti, in 2 years, ni panic for 365 days.
Yeah.
Times 365 days. Anonymous, he owes you.
Oh.
Yes.
Oh, Anonymous, ndio yi kangoku. He owes you are. You've spent 730,000 rands on him, right? Minus 20,000. He owes you 710, right? So 710 plus 1.9 million for emotional trauma. You had to hide yourself.
Order.
Hold on.
Order.
Hold on.
Yeah.
You're not gonna talk to me like that. Okay. Yes. He plus 1.9. Ne? Anonymous. He owes you way more than 2.5 million rands, this guy. Because of the emotional trauma. You had to hide yourself, Anonymous. You had to
From the public, right?
from the public
And
and,
from
the
the
wife.
wife, yes.
And the wife, Anonymous. And you had to be available whenever he needs you to be available, Anonymous.
Yes.
You understand? It's not nice. Now, let's calculate. Were you with him on Valentine's Day?
Oh, so nice.
Order, Chief. Order.
No.
2.7. Imakancane wena siyayinyuka. You were not with him on Valentine's Day? You were not, ne?
No.
Two Valentine's Day.
I was not.
Okay,
Because
200,000.
remember, she respects the wife.
Yes, which I respect about you, Anonymous. The Side Chick Anonymous is Side Chick Association of South Africa is proud of you. Plus 200 plus 200,000 Valentines. So we says go 2.1 manch. No. Says go 2.9, right? So Christmas
Were you with him?
Yes.
on
Ooh,
Christmas.
Christmas.
Wow.
Minus
We were together in
200,000.
Christmas.
Minus 200. You are not a good side chick. Minus 200,000.
Order,
We are back to 2.7. Okay. Holidays.
Sometimes
Where? Locally or internationally?
What are holidays? Do you mean,
local.
Local.
when you say holidays, do you mean like
like vacations.
vacations or okay?
Like vacations. Where did you go? Bella Bella.
No, we went to Mpumalanga.
I
Ah,
knew it. God's window.
Mm,
I knew
that's
it.
right.
all right. So Anonymous, you've got a case here, right? Number one, I don't know which small claims court will
Approve this.
approve this nonsensical, diabolical
Mm,
situation, because gifts are gifts,
yes.
right? If they're going to approve that now again, we're gonna state your gifts to him. Ne?
Because time is
Yeah.
money.
Time is money.
You have
Puben
failed
is money.
yourself. Yes.
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 Yes. Sinjonjo.
It's money.
You understand? It's money. So you have got a case here. And here's your biggest weapon as your lawyer. Are you listening to me? Your biggest weapon here is, do you want us to go public with this case? And I mean, now I've got a media company and I've got a journalistic background.
And he can dress you.
I will dress you. We will have a paparazzi at the court.
Mm.
Iko Randburg, ne?
Yes.
Ke ba tseba hantle.
ish. Yeah.
Yes. Randburg Magistrate Court will be there with the paparazzi.
Yes.
Does he want his wife to know? I don't
Yes.
think so. You
Did you say
understand?
yes?
Nah, she just said.
No,
it,
she
didn't
agrees with me.
Oh, okay.
Ne, Anonymous, he doesn't want his
Yes.
wife to know. Akere?
Yeah.
Yes, that is our biggest weapon. So now you go back to him with a statement that you owe me more than 2.7 million rands based on A, B, C, and D. And then lastly, do you really want to go this route? I don't think so. And that will be your answer. You will be free.
Yeah.
So blackmail him.
No, tell him the truth. Blackmailing is threatening someone over something that, you know.
Okay.
This is not
Yeah.
black. Yeah, it's here.
Okay.
There's something that you said, Somizi, which stuck out for me. Now you question the validity of this document, right? Because now I'm thinking, which small claims court would approve such nonsense? Now, if he's trying to impersonate people of the court, then it's fraud, anonymous, right?
We've got two lawyers.
Yeah.
We've
Well,
got
I'm your assistant. I don't want that burden.
No, Masina and Co.
Okay. Yeah.
Sorry to interject,
I
naked.
thought you said mask singer and co.
Anonymous.
Hey.
Now let's talk physical. How was he in bed?
So
tell
easy.
you.
Let's go
Well,
there.
I'm a lawyer.
No,
I must
but
ask
so easy.
everything. Shh. How big or small?
Baby, he was good.
He was good. Was he big or small?
It was my size.
What's my size now?
I get it. They were compatible.
No, what does my
Yeah.
size
it
mean?
it was fitting and everything was nice.
Yes.
Like I did enjoy it. It was my size.
Yes, guys.
Medium,
Remember,
small, large.
no, but guys, remember there's marriage penis and then there's
Yes.
What's
side.
that?
Marriage
I
penis.
was-
No.
Let's-
Cool.
It's the one that you
It
can
was
deal
my
with.
size.
It was?
My size.
My size.
Yeah, so it was a penis you could deal with
Medium,
on a daily
ne?
basis. You don't have to prepare yourself for it.
That's
Was-
married.
Yeah,
Guys,
that's marriage
I'm going
penis.
somewhere with it. Was it small?
No, it was in the middle, like my size. It was making me to be satisfied.
It was making you to
be
go
sat-
to the side.
No, to be satisfied.
Oh.
Oh,
Like, it was-
satisfied.
No, he is gifted. I don't want to lie, even though we are fighting.
Okay.
Was he circumcised?
Ah,
Yes, obvious.
Order.
And then he know how to use that ball pen.
Now,
He can stick me-
we are sitting on 2.7. We might reach 3 million here.
Hi, so Mizi, why? How?
I will tell you.
let's go.
Did you use protection
Of course not.
Yes.
all the time
Ah,
for 2 years?
Sometimes we go raw.
the
Hey,
wife.
and now
the
we're
wife.
Marinasho,
The
hey.
wife, guys. The wife.
Minus 700,000 for you,
Yeah,
Anonymous.
no.
Minus 700,000 because you're not thinking about yourself.
No, but he can plus. She can actually say in court that he forced her
No.
to go without protection.
Now the wife will sue both of them now.
Exactly. She must.
Naked, I've studied
Okay,
this.
no, all right.
I've
All right.
I've
all
studied
right,
law at
Masina
fashion
and co.
school.
Okay.
Minus 700,000. Anonymous,
No.
Why would you let that happen, Anonymous?
How?
Ay, ay, ay.
No, because I was using protection, like I was preventing. It was not like I want to fall pregnant.
Yeah,
or
when I
not.
mean,
prevention
You
is
lava-
not protection.
Order.
You
It
are
was
the
just
you see
for fun.
Ah,
you are the gang that will be following a queue.
King Geo.
Laba baphuza amageu.
Oh, okay.
Clinic Orlando.
Ish.
You'll be the
No,
one
we
that
had tested.
yeah.
We had tested.
Hmm.
And then?
But Anonymous, let me tell you something.
Mm.
Do you think his wife was faithful to him? Now, let me tell you about married women. Married women know that they men cheat.
Hallelujah.
And men are stupid enough not to know that. No? Now, she could have been having sex with 4 or 5 other men. 4 or 5 other men. 4 or 5. No? Now, yeah. Now, Anonymous, were you testing every week? No.
No, it was not every week.
Exactly. So, do you know how many other men the wife slept with? Do you know how many other women this guy slept with?
You know what was happening in
Yeah.
our relationship?
Yeah.
I don't want to lie.
Yeah.
This guy, he was so too committed with me.
Yes.
Because, like, before I meet this guy now that I'm dating, we are in the case that he was one to always be there by me and, like, security. He was always
Did
bothering
you
me.
sleep at your place
Yeah.
every day?
Like, even midnight, he just come.
We know that,
Even
but
3 o'clock in the morning, he just wake up and then
and come.
and come. I was
Yeah.
like, and then what's going on? Then so it's where we started to fight. Yeah.
Now, Somizi, Anonymous, there's something that also stands out for me here. At any point were you having sex with your new guy and this married man at the same time? Was it overlapping? Did the relationships
No.
overlap? Come on, Anonymous, don't lie to
We
us.
before immediately I met this guy, I told him that I have seen someone now. Then so I want to move on with this guy because it looks like he's serious. Before I have the sex with this guy, and then after that I went to clinic to check again, and then after that I meet this one. That we are busy now. But even me and him, this one, we went to test, and then like him at their workplace, they always test. They even come with another result from workplace, and then he showed me. But me, I went with him once to go and test. Even him, he's open. And then we are busy building something big.
You building something big.
Yes,
Like
like future.
highway now.
Yeah.
You are building the future.
Yeah, we're building future plans. And then so in this, me and married man, we didn't have the future because I know he has his family.
Yes.
For me and him, it was just wasting a time just
Yeah.
for fun.
Do you have a children?
She
Yes.
does.
I have one child.
One.
Okay. How old?
He's 10.
Okay.
And the married
the
man was
baby.
supporting both of them.
Both of
financially.
Oh, married man is big.
What?
He is big. Like,
He's
maybe-
big.
Well done, you
Anonymous,
Lupuzana.
No, maybe like big as in he
Financially.
financially.
Yeah? Or the
The
age?
Oh, the age, umdala. He's
How
old.
how old?
let me say 48 to 50 days.
Oh,
Sing-
so means
sing-
you
sing
are
Shonina
not
in
bad.
numbers.
And then how old are
It's
you?
not bad.
Me, I'm 28.
Sorry, you are?
28.
28. Okay. Yeah, he is big.
Mm.
Okay.
Big, bigger, biggest.
Big,
Because
yes.
mina, so Mrs. the oldest to biggest.
Yes.
Mina go bigger because
Correct.
I'm 46.
And
Yes.
I'm
Yeah, I win.
I win.
okay.
All right, Anonymous. So yeah, you don't have a case here. He doesn't have a case. Understand
Yeah.
your ground?
I think it's fraud. Mina.
Yeah, it's fraud.
Or he's got somebody in the court that did this thing and they're trying to
It's
scare
still
you.
fraud.
Aye,
Yeah, it's still
it's
fraud.
fraud, Anonymous.
Yeah. Don't fall for it, ne?
Okay.
Tell him you're going to bring your lawyer.
Mhm.
Don't pay. And then 2, tell him you're going to tell his wife. Because na nje. No, you were wrong, but we're not here to judge. We are here to focus on your case. We're not
Yeah.
going to tell you mama morals. Nan. It's not right for us to do that. We are the doctors that are supposed to diagnose what the patient came here for.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. And I actually want to call out to all the legal minds out there. If you can call in right now, please, to assist and open Anonymous's eyes as far as what else she can do.
Amen.
Right? Please call in and let us know.
Can I ask something?
Yeah. Yes, you can, Nonakutsi.
As the Ask a Man team, are we allowed to offer to be there when Anonymous goes to court for moral support?
It should depend what she affords me.
Okay.
Yeah. But Anonymous, I wish you all the best with your new guy, your future. What your future begin to take about? Sierra no ban. Yo baning. Yeah. So I wish you all the best with your future, ne?
Okay.
Okay, my love. Have a wonderful time with your future husband.
Yes, Anonymous.
And tell us when you get married.
Oh. I wonder if she's told the new guy that the old guy.
No, she shouldn't. I hope she didn't.
Why? How it's like, hey, this is what I'm currently facing.
You know, men with, currently facing with
the ex.
No, she must deal with it first. If it doesn't cool down, then she can. Because you know how men are.
She has to lie about going to court, because what happens if it is true?
I go court.
Okay, yeah.
I'm telling you for free. All right.
Okay.
Yeah, let's go.
Interesting.
South Africa, what advice do you have for Anonymous? 086,000 2160. Your voice notes on 060-552-7303. Please don't forget Naked DJ asking for lawyered up minds to also give us a call if possible. Thank you. 525 minutes. Forgot the 600. Calculations on fire here in studio. What advice do you have for Anonymous? Dukes coming through on Metro FM. It's Ask a Man. Taking your calls right now, 086,000 2160. My goodness, our phone lines are going to crash. Let's start with Nodumo out in Pretoria. Good morning.
Morning, guys. I'm just going to try to be quick, né? Side chicks, the mistake they make is that they don't think of how wrong things can go on their side. They're always thinking of how right things can go. For example, he passes away. If I can prove he was maintaining me, I benefit, and then now I have a child with him. Even his wife is going to support the child since they are married 50-50. They never think of, if that's not how it goes, how wrong can it go for me? So maybe there's the guy doesn't have a case. Whenever I was the guy's lawyer, I would get out with something. Because remember now we're talking receipts. I'm the one, it's my word against her to say these were not gifts. These were loans here that she will give it back to me. So these were not, as long as it's men like this, it sounds like it's crazy, this man. This is how he kept receipts, and he might prove that these were gifts. These were not gifts, but loans. He might have a strategy. But my advice to Anonymous is, whatever she does, she must show up in court, because the decision will be made with or without her. And it will be a decision that is negative for her if she doesn't show up.
Okay.
She must show up, state a case, and then take it from there. There mustn't be a day that she misses court.
Okay.
So the decision will be made.
It's Babes Nondumo.
Oh, I think you're Anonymous. Babes.
Hi.
Nondumo is her name.
Oh.
Not Dumo, not even Nondumo.
Not Dumo.
Are you married?
Yes, I am married.
Have you dealt with a side chick?
I have never had an opportunity. May I please not deal with the child chief? But now, if it comes, I'm ready.
Yes, when I kill.
Yeah, because Tony already. So it's preparing already.
No, I am. I'm not immune. Remember, this is life. I know I'm not immune from any of this nonsense
but
that are happening in life.
Are you gonna deal with your man first, your husband, or are you gonna deal with the side chick first?
Mina, if the side chick brings themselves to me, I'll deal with them. I'm gonna deal with both. Anishona Lona would have done me wrong. Remember, if it happens, it means this one of mine has done me wrong as well. So there's no way I'm not dealing with it. But if the side chick brings themselves to me, we will deal with each other. So,
last question: are you gonna stay or leave?
Can I be honest with you, Sonidi?
Yeah,
please.
I don't know.
Oh yeah, that's true. That's a good answer.
I don't know. I don't know.
Fair answer.
The way we've been together from forever now, almost 20 from high school. There will be a lot of things that I need to consider before I leave, and I might also have to look at the trends. I might look at the person's attitude, how they're behaving. We are all human.
Okay.
Well, it's not a mistake, but it happens.
Sorry. It's fair. Thank you so much.
Sharp. Sharp babes. September out in Johannesburg. Good morning, September.
Morning, Kutso. Good morning, DJ Naked, and good morning, Jack of all trades.
Yes.
It's a good one. Nice one. September, talk to us.
First and foremost, I want to talk to the lady. I want to say, if you make a decision, you must think twice before jumping into things. Now you must go to court and all that stuff. It's better yet you take the petrol attendant, because poverty can also be romantic.
Okay. Yeah.
Jack of all trades.
There's
What
no-
was he saying?
There's basically there's no problems like this when you're both on the lower end of the income chain.
Yo.
Wow.
Yeah.
Voice notes 060-552-7303.
Good morning, team. How are you?
Morning.
Anonymous, Sissy. Yo, yabona ngiyasawa, Shem. I'm so scared. This man might kill you. And please be vigilant. Be extra careful, because like angakubulala, and please ugade nabantwana, take care of your kids, like ubabheke, because like ngathi angenza konke okusemandleni just to hurt you. So yazi ngiyasaba this whole thing, but thanks.
Thank you.
Hi, teammates. Siyakhala.
Hey.
Indeed.
Baby girl, yegumdala. Just block him on all your platforms, calling, WhatsApp, social media. Uzoba right. You just move on with your life. Now stop dating married people. Because at least it's tunes. You are devaluing yourself.
Hi guys. I think she should not ignore the claim. She should go to court and find out if it's legit or not.
Okay.
And if it is, and then she can dispute in court and say, no, Aibo, it was a gift. So it was not, they've never agreed who's they're going to be paying each other. Oh my God, transaction, yeah, sure.
No, my transaction wakayangena. I'm a notification. Hey.
All right, let's close this court order. Gents?
Yeah, go. I agree with her. Really, go find out how legit this document is, and never miss that court date, especially at Randburg. Yo,
abadlali
Kunini.
shoni. Yo, chum,
yeah.